Is camping really unsafe in India?
Camping in India can go from amazing to frustrating very quickly. एक moment पे you're enjoying the beautiful location, breathing fresh air, and setting up your location. But अगले ही पल you're wondering if you should look for another location, pack up everything and leave. This video exists because a lot of conversation about camping focus on gear, tents, camping and cooking setup. But skip the part that actually matters. From my own camping experience and from many conversations that I've had within our community, I've noticed something interesting. Camping in India usually turns frustrating for three main reasons. Weather conditions, which mostly can be managed with right precautions and right camping gear. And that's actually a topic for another video. Basic preparedness. Things like network connectivity, navigation, battery backup, lighting, charging your devices. ಈ ತರ ಪುಟ್ಟ technical issues ನಮ್ಮ camping plan ನ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. The third reason is something that people rarely talk about, camping etiquettes. Small habits that can sometimes ruin the experience for other campers and sometimes ruin the trip for ourselves. करो यार, camping बिल्कुल करो, but आपका और दूसरों का trip खराब मत करो. So, I'm going to share 7 camping mistakes that we in our community avoid at any cost. Most of them are actually very small habits, but ಅದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ camping ನಲ್ಲಿ. See, when we cook at camping locations, waste is inevitable. Waste to produce hoga hi. There's food leftovers, plastic packaging, disposable plates, all kinds of garbage slowly starts piling up while camping. And that's normal. But this is something we avoid at any cost. We never ever do this, leaving our trash behind. That's exactly how a beautiful camping trip can end up becoming just a smelly memory. Here's one simple rule which we follow, and that works all the time for us. Throughout our stay, we keep collecting our trash and storing it properly. So, ಈ food waste ಗೆ ಒಂದು separate biodegradable bag ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Dry waste ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು separate bag ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. And for biodegradable disposable plates and similar items, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು separate bag ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Also, we carry one big plastic storage box with a lid. Tie all the garbage bags. Put them inside this big storage box which we have. Close the lid and keep the box on the passenger side inside the car. I'll tell you why. See, when we are camping for a long time or when we are doing overnight camping, we never leave the garbage outside the campsite. Dogs, insects or even wind can spread them everywhere. And before leaving the campsites, we always do one final check to make sure the place is clean. And trust me, when garbage systematically managed adre, half the camping problems are already solved. Now, mistake 2 can be subjective. Turning the campsites into a loud party zone. See, camping is usually about enjoying the quietness. Fresh air, natural sounds, peaceful surroundings. But sometimes, just one group can turn the campsite into something else. Big speakers come out, music starts getting louder. The campsite starts feeling less like nature and more like full-blown outdoor disco bar. Now, don't get me wrong. Enjoying music with friends while camping is completely fine. We also do that. But there's always time, place, and volume button. Here's a simple rule we follow. We try to be mindful about the noise. We keep our volumes low, our music soft, and most of our group games happen earlier in the evening. And after around 10 or 10:30 p.m., the campsite becomes a quiet zone for us. The thing is, you might even not realize that there might be another camper just 100 meters away trying to enjoy the same peaceful day as you are. So just making sure you're not disturbing other campers does not hurt anybody. A little awareness goes a long way. Mistake number 3. This is something which gives me itching if not done properly. Messy and cluttered camping setup. मेरा camping जाने का simple goal है. The target is to enjoy the location and get the best view. But sometimes campsites slowly start looking like a random storage area. Chairs everywhere, cooking gear spread around, food items left open, clothes hanging on tree branches. ये सब ना camping का mood खराब कर देता है. Now the problem is not the number of equipments we have. Camping gear तो होता ही है, it's a part of experience. The real issue is arranging them. Now here's one thing I personally enjoy while camping. Keeping our setup simple and organized. Not fancy, nor expensive. Just clean and intentional. A small cooking area, neat sitting space, and keeping the rest of the place as natural as possible. मेरा simple idea है. Enjoy the view and let others enjoy it too. And speaking of the things that can affect the camping experience, let's talk about something that every camper has faced. Network, battery backup, and charging your devices. Now you know, over the period of time, Ivaga, we follow few simple systems that really works for us. Now camping hodaga, num phones, lights, cameras, drones, navigation devices, yalla depends on power. So we usually carry a portable high-capacity power station for charging all our devices. Campsite reach agua munche, we make sure our power station and phones gets charged on the drive and charge all the other devices whenever we get chance. Because once it's night, power usage usually increases. Another small process that we follow is charging priority. Phones mate power station first charge agate and then lighting charge agate and then comes the other electronics. This way, even if power runs low, the important devices are always ready. Network is another common challenge while camping in remote areas. So many campers in our community carry small pocket Wi-Fi devices or dual SIM setup. ಇದರಿಂದ at least some connectivity ಸಿಗಬಹುದು. So ನಿಮ್ಮ power backup and network sort ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು is extremely important. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ communityಯ all-time ongoing conversation. Moving on to the next mistake we strictly avoid. Through my own camping experience and through many conversations within our community, we have realized something very simple. Camping etiquettes makes big difference. जब हम लोग कोई कैंपिंग लोकेशंस जाते हैं, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि सिर्फ हम ही लोग हैं वहाँ पे. But another camper might already be there, or sometimes they might arrive after us. Small things can destroy the camping experience for everybody. Like, sometimes people unknowingly set up camp settings too close to each other, or peep through others' car thinking it's funny, or walk right through someone's camping space, or point bright lights straight into another camper's tent or vehicles, or drying clothes wherever they find space. Of course, you're spoiling the view of the others also. Small things like this can destroy the camping experience for everybody. So, let's be mindful. Mistake number 6. Now this is again subjective. Arriving too late at campsites. Of course, it depends on each camper's comfort and travel style. This is more of a personal safety mistake we strictly avoid. Reaching a campsite too late in the evening can make things unnecessarily stressful. Because once the sun goes down, simple things suddenly become harder. Finding the exact spot, checking the ground condition, setting up your cooking area, organizing lights and your sleeping setup. Everything takes more time and effort in the dark. So what we usually do is reach the campsite before sunset whenever possible. This gives me enough time to look around the area, choose a good spot, set up the camping calmly and actually enjoy the place. Arriving a little early just makes the whole experience much more relaxed. And finally, the last mistake we try to avoid while camping: not understanding the place you're camping in. See, many beautiful camping locations in India are not official campsites. They might be a village land, farmland, a forest edge, lakeside. And sometimes we arrive, set up the camp, and assume everything is fine. But the place might be important for the local people. From my own experience and from many conversations in our community, I've learned something simple. Whenever possible, it helps to talk to locals nearby. Just a quick conversation. Ask if it's okay to camp there. Most of the time, people are actually very welcoming, because at the end of the day, camping is not just beautiful location. It's how responsibly we enjoy them. And remember, the future of camping in India depends on how responsibly we camped today. Also, I'm curious, what's one camping mistake you've seen people make or you've done? Let me know in the comments.